everyone. Today I'll be teaching you how to make chocolate eclairs. Now for the chocolate eclairs, we have to make a choux paste. Now the choux paste is one of the few basic French pastries. Now for the ingredients, we'll need 65 grams of refined flour, 55 grams of butter, 2 eggs, 120 ml of water, few drops of vanilla essence. And for the garnish, we'll need some whipped cream, some white chocolate and some dark chocolate. To start with the recipe, we'll turn on the gas and place our saucepan on top. Now we'll add the water and the butter and wait for it to boil. I will gently stir the butter so that it mixes properly with the water. Now the mixture has come to a boil. Now I will add the flour and I will mix it rapidly so that it forms a dough. So when you are making it, make sure that there are no lumps. Now after a while, you will see that the dough is starting to leave the sides. That's when you know the dough is almost ready. And once the flour is entirely incorporated, the dough is completely ready. Now it is done. Now I will take the choux paste into a bowl and I'll add 2 eggs. Add the first egg and I'll whisk it together. Make sure you add the eggs one by one, otherwise the mixture will become very moist and will be difficult to mix. Now the first egg has incorporated perfectly. Now I'll add the second egg. Now while the second egg is half mixed, I will add a little bit of vanilla essence. Now the choux paste is ready. I will place it in a piping bag. I am using a nozzle, but if you want to do it without a nozzle, you can do so. Now I have lined my baking tray with a silicone mat. But if you don't have a silicone mat, you can dust your baking tray. It will work equally good. Now I'll pipe out straight lines. Now I'm piping them at a distance because these will pop up, so I don't want them to stick to each other. Now if you see, if the ending of the piping is uneven, you can flatten it out by dipping your fingers in some water and just tapping them. Now don't use dry fingers, otherwise the batter will stick to your hand. Now I have piped out the choux paste onto my baking tray. Now I have to bake it. Now to bake the eclairs, they have to be put into two different temperatures. So I will bake them first at 220 degrees for around 15 minutes. Then I will reduce the temperature to 170 degrees and I will bake them for another 15 minutes. So I have preheated my oven at 220 degrees. I put them in. Now it has been 30 minutes and I guess the eclairs have baked perfectly. So I will take them out. Yeah. As you can see, they have achieved a really nice golden brown color. And now the eclairs have cooled down, so it's time to decorate them. Now the first process of decoration is making a hole from the side so that we can fill it with a cream. Now we have our cream in a piping bag. I'll just cut the tip off and I'll fill my eclairs. Now my eclairs are full. Now I will dip them in melted white chocolate. And place them on a cooling rack. Now I will garnish them with some dark chocolate.